With all the things wey Sosoberekun don do for David, na David suppose arrange chair for that wedding. You know who David is, off camera, off social media. Na terrible human being. Terrible.
Davido is being dragged for not attending the wedding ceremony of his friend Sosoberekun that went down in Warri, Delta State, and they even went as far as saying that Davido is jealous of him. But come to think of it, Davido had a show that same day in Dubai. Davido was in Dubai and he also had a show. So I don't understand the reason why they've been dragging Davido. It has been alleged that Davido and Sosoberekun actually had a fallout, which we don't know exactly what caused the issue between both of them. They even said that it was about a show Davido went for, and according to the issue on ground, they said Davido was booked for a show and the amount of money they collected from the show was not what that was remitted to him. That was what caused the fallout. But that is by the way. I don't know why this Deeone they contract Davido like this. Like even went as far as saying that Davido is jealous of Sosoberekun. That Davido was supposed to even be the one that should say cheers in the which kind of they don't really see Davido finish. Oh, they don't really see my 001. Which kind of insult be this one where they give? This one don't be talk again now. Insult be this. Listen to what he had to say.
With all the things wey Sosoberekun don do for David, na David suppose arrange chair for that wedding. Una no know Davido. If you know who David is, off camera, off social media, na terrible human being. Terrible. You don't understand? This is somebody that Soso don't make name before David, and Soso has been in the industry before David. You don't understand? But for you not to, you did not attend the wedding. Nobody, none of your boys represent you. None of your family represents you. You could not even send a message. Let's even claim that you are busy. Of which you know busy, but let's even say that okay, you are busy. You could not even tweet. Say happy married life, Soso. Do you know that this David wey dey say so, no individual, the first individual to give him $1 million and above, now this Soso link am up. Make him come as I say I dey lie. Now Soso link am up as he dey do, very proud, arrogant. Now person wey no dey wish make people pass am. He wants you to do well, but no more than him. That is the kind of person David is. You don't understand? Like, I'm so irritated. So what's it gonna be the usefulness of Soso working with you? What's it gonna be the usefulness now? What's it gonna be the usefulness? Okay, Soso work with you. This is someone that has been in the industry. Even them KC, Emoney, and all these people that have been working with Soso since they attended the wedding. And as God go do them, that wedding, he pop. The wedding pop past David wedding now. They spent more money on that wedding than David's wedding. That's why the fact that Soso's wedding was not in Lagos. Wedding where they bring souvenir, they bring drinks with private jets. That one are your mates. David wedding, na bachelor's eve near Soso wedding. Not be Soso send me to do this video. I'm just telling you my mind. Me, I dey observe some things where people know they want talk out. Thank God the entire industry was represented. If you were not in that wedding, you will know somebody in your clique or your industry where did that wedding. For instance, I know that wedding, but MC Edo Pikin. Now he MC that wedding. Now he be one of the MCs where MC the wedding. Now my man. You don't understand? So, if you were not there, you will have somebody that was represented. You don't understand? Where you know. So shut down. You don't understand? The wedding, they classy. Private jet everywhere. Everywhere good though. I'm just trying to tell you, David, adjust this your character. If it be like say person won't pass you, you dey always they envious, they jealous. Now so you dey close to Whiskey until Whiskey pass you vex. So now is arguably one of the most influential youths in the whole of Africa. More influential than David and Bonner. Now the one they tell you reality. So many of the behind the scenes success, Soso they behind them. So this is to congratulate you, Soso. Despite the fact say David not attend that wedding. Thank God say the wedding is successful. Everywhere good. I wish you and your wife happy married life. And 1% of the 1%. David said they part of 1% of 1%. But in character, for that 1% of 1%, we need to the question now. So David, try and wish your friend or your former friend. I don't want to know what thing transpire, but Soso has helped you in this life, and you have not done anything for him. Name one thing where you don't buy for Soso, one favor where you don't do him. Nothing. Associating with you, you know that now you gain. So me I go talk about CB. I'm not fear anybody, Papa. And thank God, if not money, the family where Soso marrying to now, those people get money past their day. They get money past them David. This is not comparison. Oh. This is happy married life to you, David. And Soso self not be smelling person. Yeah, I've never known Soso to be a hungry person. Everywhere good, my people. Didn't want here. Shalom.